Hello and welcome to this lesson for Grade 9 Design and Technology. In our last lesson, we had introduced green design and talked about pollution and its effects. Today, we're going to continue the topic of green design. In this lesson, we will learn about the definition of green design and the life cycle of a product. What is green design? Green design is a way of designing products so as not to cause harm to the environment. Let us now see what is the life cycle of products. The life cycle analysis is a method used to measure and evaluate the impact of a product from the design of the product, the extraction and processing of raw materials, manufacturing, distribution, use, and disposal. We will look at the life cycle of a plastic bag as an example. According to the demand of the population, the plastic bag is designed and sent to the manufacturing industry. The raw material for plastic bags is derived from crude oil that is extracted from the earth or ocean. The raw material has to be extracted, processed, and transported to factories. It is then converted to plastic bags by using the manufacturing processes. Manufactured plastic bags have to be transported to shops. When consumers make excessive use of plastic bags, more plastic bags have to be produced. In general, the duration of use of plastic bags is very short. On average 20 minutes. When disposed of, they pollute the environment and affect animals and aquatic life. The amount of plastics in landfill sites also increases. Another example we will talk about is an aluminium can. The extraction is done in open mines and the aluminium is obtained in impure forms which have to be cleaned and made usable. The illustrations you see here show the purification of aluminium. This process requires a very large amount of energy. These are the completed aluminium cans. When disposed of, it is strongly advised that aluminium cans are disposed of separately in special bins so that they can be recycled into numerous useful products such as these. Aluminium can be recycled over and over again. Recycling of aluminium uses only 5% of the energy required to make aluminium from new ore. This is done to protect the environment. What you can see here is an open pit aluminium mine. Aluminium extraction almost always involves some habitat destruction, soil erosion, loss of biodiversity or water pollution. These effects can be short-term or they can be very severe and permanent, like what you see in this photo. The sign you see here relates to the disposal of aluminium objects which are found on bins. And on the products themselves, we have these signs. Through these, people can know which products contain aluminium and they can dispose of them in the correct bins. Activity 1. Let us now check your understanding. Which is the correct answer? What is green design? Green design is a way of designing products so as either A, to cause harm to the environment, or B, not to cause harm to the environment. The correct answer is B, not to cause harm to the environment. Life cycle of products. The life cycle analysis is a method used to measure and evaluate the impact of a product from blank: extraction, manufacturing, use, and disposal. We have 3 options for the answer: A, design, B, dream, or C, decorate. The correct answer is, of course, A, design. Guess which stage of life cycle the picture shows. Correct. The answer is A, extraction. Can you guess which stage of life cycle the picture shows here? Right, it is A, manufacture. Which is this stage of life cycle? Yes, it is B, use. Lastly, this stage of life cycle corresponds to? Correct. B, the disposal of the product. In this lesson, we have learnt about the definition of green design and the life cycle of a product. These are the references of images used. This brings us to the end of today's lesson. Do remember that you can watch all of our lessons on the website of the Ministry of Education under the Student Support Program on the link that has been given to you on the screen. Do watch our next lesson on green design. Until then, goodbye.